Hi, boys and girls. You may remember from last week when I was introducing the spelling words, I had mentioned that the spelling pattern that we had, we were also going to have for the following week, which would be this week. So we are still working with the same spelling and sound pattern that we had last week, except we're throwing in a little bit more. Okay? So we've been talking about the ow sound. We talked about how poor O, when O went to go play with W, W was so rough with him. And he hurt him. He was playing. He was just tossing and pushing. And so every time that O went to play with W, he ended up saying, ow. So poor O then went and tried to play with his friend U. And U was doing the same thing. He was pushing him down and shoving him. He wasn't doing it on purpose. He just didn't know how strong he was. But every time O went to go play with his friend U, he got hurt. And he'd say, ow. Right? So both of those spelling patterns both had the same ow sound, our O-U and O-W. Last week, all of our spelling words had O-W, ow words. This week, we're going to be working more with O-U, ow words. Okay? And I'm looking on our reading book on page 54 and 55. We have a picture of this little town. And there's a lot going on in the picture. And over here, let's listen for the sounds. It says, the clown is holding a pouch. So down here on page 54 is a picture of a clown. And he is holding a pouch. So we hear clown, ouch. The sound that we hear in the middle of both of these words is the same. I hear ow right in the middle of both the words. Even though when I look at them, this says clown, ouch. Clown, pouch. When I look at them, they're different spelling, but I hear the same sound in the middle. Okay? So when it says remove the sound p from the beginning of ouch. Okay, so if we want to take the p sound, we're going to just erase our p. And what new word do we have now? That's right. Ouch. 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 We took the P away and now we have ouch. We made a new word and it still says ow. I still hear that same sound. Okay. Underneath it, it says find 3 things that rhyme with brown. So we got to look around in this picture and see what we can find that rhyme with the word brown. Anybody see anything? I see. I can't get over this guy's face. I noticed him right away. I noticed that he doesn't look too happy. He has a frown painted on his face. So, ow. Frown. Brown. Frown. There's one that rhymes. Do you see any others? Brown. Rhymes with brown. I also, like we just talked about, see the word clown. Clown, brown. Those sound like rhymes to me. So let's write the word clown as one of our words that rhyme with brown. Clown. And we need one more, right? They wanted 3. All right, how about the word down? He put his pouch down towards the ground so the kids could see in it. I'm going to go with it. Down. Yeah, I found 3 words that rhyme with the word brown. And it says to say the sound in the middle of these words. So brown, for frown, clown, down. I hear again, ow, in the beginning, in the middle of every single one of these words. And in these words, they all happen to be spelled with our O-W spelling. Okay? Now, here's the tricky part. Okay? The next thing says that there are 3 crows. There are 3 crows in the middle of the road. Everybody see them next to the spilled purple paint? There's some black crows. And the word crow is spelled like this. Crow. Wait a second, Miss Dieppa, back up. You just told me that says ow. But you didn't say crow, you said crow. Yep. My friends, I tell you this all the time. I don't know who made up these rules, but there's always exceptions. There's always buts, we call them. It's like this, but it's also like this. Or it always says this, but sometimes it says this. Yep, this is another one of those situations. Let's look at it. We know that OU says ow. We know that OW can say ow. Put these right here. A few weeks ago, we had long O words, and we learned that OW can say O. There's a picture, and in that picture, that's a picture, he's mowing the lawn. Another example would be the word show. Sh-O. Right? One way to figure that out, that this is not one of our ow words, is by trying it. Sh-ow. Show. Is show a word? Nah. Doesn't sound right. So we'll try it with the other sound. Sh-o. Show. Yeah, show's a word. So that must be one of those times that OW says ow. Or O, I'm sorry. So, OW can say ow. OW can also say O. Make our long O sound. Like in crow and show. Let's do some practice here. Over on page 56, you will see on the side our spelling cards, our sound cards, and they're showing you just what I just did. Here's a picture of snow. It's an OW. That sound in the word snow that's made by the OW is O. That's one of our long O words. Next, we have a picture of an owl. That's an example of when OW is now says ow. So same spelling can have two different sounds, but it's just like with vowels, right? We know that A can say two different sounds. It can say a or a. We know that C can say k or s. So it's just another example of a spelling that can make that same sound, or different, same spelling, different sound. Next, they have a picture of soup. Ooh. There is our OU. And here, OU isn't saying ow. It's not soup. It's saying ooh. So sometimes OU will say ooh, like in soup. And sometimes OU will say ow, like in mouse. Okay, that's what we're working on this week. I'll put him next to the owl. Those are ow and O. But OU can also say ooh, or it can also say O too, like in this word, shoulder. But that's not very common, but sometimes it does. So just know that sometimes, even though not often, we do hear the O sound with OU as well. So two spelling patterns, OU, OW, all of these different sounds. I know, it's crazy. I didn't make it up, I tell you. I promise you, my friends. Let's practice with some OW, OU words. Words I can blend. You're going to be my echoes today. I'm going to read, and then I'll wait for a minute or a few seconds so that you can be my echoes and repeat after me. Let's blend these words together. Sh, O, show. H, ow, how. Y, ooh, you. Out, out. Good. Sh, o, old, shoulder. Awesome. That was a longer one, but you rounded it out. Great job. Let's practice with some sentences. Same thing. You'll be my echoes. Please show me how to play. Will you take me out for dinner? Good. Martin hurt his shoulder when he fell. Amazing. You guys are rock stars. Great job. Great reading and practicing, my friends.